friends, welcome to my channel. Today topic is during pregnancy challenges. All pregnancies lesion once this danger zone symptoms. And few points are there. Short primigravida, severe anemia with pregnancy, pregnancy-induced hypertension or eclampsia, previous cesarean section, multiple pregnancy, malpresentation, APH, antepartum hemorrhage, RH incomfortability, pregnancy with tumors, pregnancy with medical disorders like heart diseases and diabetes, intrauterine growth retardation. I am explaining about the few points. Now comes short primigravida. A pregnant woman with short stature below 140 cm. 80% of short pregnant women failing spontaneous vaginal delivery. If cesarean section performed if necessary. Next one is the severe anemia with pregnancy. Severe iron deficiency anemia during pregnancy increases the risk of premature birth associated with low birth weight baby and postpartum depressions. Consider anemia in below 7 grams. Normal hemoglobin on baseline 12 to 16 grams per deciliters. Now comes pregnancy-induced hypertension or eclampsia, PAH. Hypertension that occurs after 20 weeks of gestation in women with previously normal BP and about 140/90. Is the gestation hypertension is unknown. Next one is the previous cesarean section. Is considered a safe option for many women. This is a pelvic deformity or cephalopelvic disproportion. Now comes multiple pregnancy. Mother gives birth to 2 or more babies. It is a greater chance to anemia with preterm baby. Malpresentation. Next one is the malpresentation. Malpresentation is most common in breech presentation. It is a prematurity, multiple pregnancy, uterine abnormalities. Now comes antepartum hemorrhage. APH is usually occurs bleeding from the birth canal after 24th week of pregnancy. It is a placenta previa and placental absorption. Next one is the RH incompatibility. If a pregnant woman is RH negative and man is RH positive, conceive a baby is RH positive blood. This is the RH incompatibility. Next one is the pregnancy with tumors. It is a rare. While some pregnancies have tumors or malignant or cancerous, most concerns do not spread from a woman to the baby. And pregnancy with medical disorders like heart diseases and diabetes. It is a critical risk of congenital heart disease, CHD. Normal BP is the 120/80 mmHg. Pregnant women, some pregnant women having improper diabetes. Normal RBS is the below 140. High blood glucose also can chance to miscarriage or stillborn baby. Intrauterine growth retardation is the restriction a condition in which a baby does not grow to normal weight of pregnancy. Risk of premature birth. It is a IUGR. So friends, during pregnancy observe these points. Immediately you have to go to the hospital or visit the gynecologist and you get healthy baby. I am explaining in details in danger symptoms of during pregnancy in next video. Thank you all of you.